How to buy and sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can buy and sell crypto on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy as well as sell crypto on Trust Wallet, you can simply open up the Trust Wallet application and first of all just log into your account. Now first we will learn how to buy and we will learn how we can sell them. To buy it, tap on the buy option. Select the crypto that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Then enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and for $1,500 you'll get this much of BTC. It will be mentioned there. Now you can choose a payment method, a provider, or whatever else it is. You can choose the payment between Google Pay and bank transfer. Then completely verify your purchase. And once you've verified and purchased Bitcoin or any crypto form of crypto, let's say that later on you decide you want to sell it, then you will also find a sell option there. Now currently I don't have anything that I want to sell it, but I will simply show you. So let's say if you have any crypto that you own and then you want to sell that, you can select any of these, and once you've done that you can simply tap on the sell option to sell them. So this way you'll be able to buy and sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.